corporation is an enterprise started by law with most of the legal rights of a person, including the right to conduct a business, to own and sell property, to borrow money, and to be sued. So, a corporation is just like group of people or organization na nag-run sa usa ka business. So, na sila advantage and disadvantages. So, unahan na itong advantages. Limited liability. The liability of stockholders limited amount of their shareholdings. So, ba- bantog dugay mabankrupt ang usa ka corporation or usa ka business kay limitado lang ang ilang ginapahuram sa usa ka shareholders para maiwasan ang isa ka bankruptcy. Ease of expansion. The authority granted to corporations to sell its own shares of stock provides the means to pool large amount of funds. So, ang definition nani is just like McDonald's. Ang McDonald's nagsugod na siya sa isa lang ka management. Sa isa lang ka management or sa isa lang ka store. So kato nga store is nag so gi-sacrifice niya ang iyang funds para mupalit sa usa ka yuta or usa ka lugar na makabutang pod sa lain niya nga store para mulambo o mudagan ang iyang store para ease of transferring ownership. If stockholders loses interest in a corporation he partly owns, he may dissociate himself from it, selling or donating his shares to another person. In effect, the ownership of a corporation may change as often as it could without actually dissolving it. So, for example, ang Victoria Plaza. Victoria Plaza kay gipalit ni NCCC Mall. NCCC Mall. Gipalit niya tanan, gipangalan niya tanan, pero naa po ang pangalan ni Victoria Plaza sa taas. Kumbaga, ang pangalan nila karon kay NCCC Mall Victoria Plaza. Mao na ang definition sa ease of transferring ownership. Relatively long life. Corporation may be established to live up to 50 years and extended indefinitely through renewals of documents. So, ang corporation is have a long life kay dagan ang nagapadagan pwede sa isa ka shareholders or stockholders pwede nila mapamana ang ilang posisyon para molambo o modugay ang ilang management. Greater ability to hire special management. The expanded operations of corporations make it possible to divide the overall job into smaller specialized positions. The various positions will be quite dissimilar from each other. The demand of management expertise will be little more exacting than those required for sole proprietorship and partnership. So, ang usa ka corporation is pili sila mag-hire og mga specialized na managers o management nga mo train sa usa ka mga staff just like McDonald's. Mag-hire sila og managers or mga leaders na highly trained para mapalambo ang store. So, there are the disadvantages. More expensive and complicated to organize. Among three major forms of ownership, more time and money are required to organize a corporation. It takes months or even years before a corporation can begin serving its customers. So, ang usa ka corporation kay ug magtayo kag isa ka corporation is dili dali. Na siya lisod magtayo og corporation kay maguna-una pa ka unsay mga buhatonon, unsay purpose nganong nagbuhat kag ana nga corporation, unsay kulos sa imong corporation if magbuhat ka na og unsay mga target nimo nga customers. Ug daghan pa nga imong i-brainstorm para makabuhat kag corporation. Double taxation. The profits derived of stockholders are taxed twice by the government First, when the corporation realizes profits, and second, when individual stockholders declare the dividends they receive from the corporation as part of their personal income. So disadvantages: double taxation. Double taxation is like do, madoble na ang ilang tax kay dagan ang nagapadagan, dagan ang more profits. Kung dagan ang ilang customers, dagan dako pod ang ilang profit. So magdoble-doble na ang ilang mga tax. More extensive government restrictions and reporting requirements. Corporations are subject to stringent government restrictions and are required to submit various reports on a periodic basis. An example of restriction is the prohibition of certain actions by the corporations without the approval of SEC. For instance, corporations are not allowed to distribute stock dividends without first securing the approval of the SEC.